Take a look at the Celestia updates, guys. So our channel basically relevant, but I can't say this is like confirmed breakout. Why? Because, yes, we saw the volume here on this channel when we test this hypothetical channel. Why the channels are just hypothetical? Because, someone gonna use this like a touch. Someone gonna use the weeks. Someone gonna use I don't know, this like support. So it's different variation how we can draw the channels. So I draw it like this one. If we cut all noise and double check on a line chart, we also can adjust it, right, on a line chart. So highly recommended, by the way, time to time double check on a line chart. Why it can be not the real breakout? Because the chart, the price, the candles always move to the right side. That's a problem, So I don't know. We need to see some crazy volume on the weekly time frame, for breakout. Because here it was the volume. This week just stuck. We stuck with the sales. Of course, there is not a crazy sales capitulation, and the last zone. What I can expect there. So let's say it's here. So I mark it, it's 10 cents. 10 cents, 0.6. So I don't think so. They will drop to the round number. Is it possible to test it? Basically, yes, this summer. So if we just go on the chop side and everybody's screaming, we break this downtrend, whatever. In summer, we can drop it and test 10 cents. From this current price is going to be 200% down, right? Yes, 250. So be careful, guys. To talk about the realistic breakout, we need at least to break this high, like 62 cents, and break the structure on the weekly. So the last high, impulse, sideways, break the structure. And so once again, we can see even something like this one, for example. Also, unfortunately, guys. So be ready for that. On the weekly time frame, of course, I'm more bullish for all altcoins and Celestia also, just because of speculation. So I hope, and I repeat again and again and again. So before the meeting, Xi Jinping and the Donald Trump 15 May, I think we can test some high price targets for the BTC. It's around like 81, the CMA gap, and 84, maybe even 92. And the alts can perform, but be ready to take the profit. So if you catch the knives here with the last 30, be ready, guys, to take the profit withdrawal initial deposit at the 60, 65 cents. And I think we'll find the rejection. It's a test of this 150 EMA. Now we're not talking about a new all-time high. I don't think so the Celestia ever will hit the new all-time high. Yes, it can be sad, but it's a fact. It's true. You can open the chart of Bitcoin Cash, Dash, IOTA, the old tokens, right, which cycle after cycle, after the bear market, they will not hit the new all-time high. They just hit the high. And it's just like there's charts for the years. And only the XRP after the 8 years. After the 8 years, guys, imagine, hit the new all-time high. But it's XRP, so we can't compare the Celestia and XRP. Right, so for this year, I'm more than sure we're going to test the 50 EMA. Lines are dynamic. That's why it no makes sense to wait the $1.40. Add alerts to the line. Especially, I highly recommend you just add alert to the take profit indicator line, because remember while the line now on the weekly time frame for Celestia $1.31. Take profit line on the weekly time frame $3.52. Is it possible to read that target? Yes. Why not? It's not like crazy gains. 830%. Yes, it's kind of amazing gains. But you saw the scam pump and dump Ravecoin 9,000% gains, pump it, or 5,000. So 800% gains for the Celestia, more than real. And maybe we're going to stop at that point. Exit line, it's a test of 100 EMA on the weekly, $3.90. $3.90. So we will see. That's why, let's go to the local one, to the daily. So this volume was pretty good. We saw the signal to buy. We out of the channel. take profit from the buy. This one, when we test on the daily time frame for the while line, we didn't test the take profit. That's why I think we'll just consolidate it here. A lot of effort. I would recommend you go and check that educational video. So when we got like pump, and after that, like momentum of the buyers is pretty good with the volume, with this breakout. And after that, the sellers can't literally push the price down because not enough power of the sales. And so I think we're going to retest the 50 EMA on a daily 34 cents 44. And after that, continue climb it up higher to test this one, 200 EMA. 68.70 is going to be the breakout structure. And after that, I think we're going to form something like this one, maybe even a spring by Wyckoff and sweep the 20 cents again this summer. Of course, I wish to see something like this one for everyone, every altcoin, but guys, we have to be ready for the last volatile summer. It's all the time happening. So we will see if there's a confirmed breakout or not. But now we got a signal to sell on a daily. And I hope this is not a main one. I don't think so. We're going to drop to the 22 now, cents. No, I think we continue the rally higher. 12 time frame. This one, it's a test. Also, I think we're going to retest the 34.44. Here we can even try to open long position, right? With a second leverage, stop loss, I don't know, 14% stop loss. So let's say 10% stop loss and the weight, the 68 cents. So maybe we should try it. Right, so EMAs we can close, take profit. Zones I showed about, guys. So here was not a mistake to take the profit. If you bought it here, the take profit line, it's never the mistake to take the profit. Right, we can close this one. Let's double check the AZZ direction. For us, we talk about futures. For a spot, if you believe in Celestia, because people still trust the fundamental, trust the teams. So if you believe in that startup, if you believe that this assets, of course, it was like $20 and we dump it to the 30 cents. So maybe makes sense to buy in it, right? But I remind you the example with the flow, also with a great fundamental, we traded at $25 and dump it to, with the latest hack. Of course, it was a hack, but dump it to the 2 cents. So the previous historical high, it's not to remind the potential of the Celestia in the future, just in case. You can open the chart of Chia coin, ICP, for example. Unfortunately, Jasmy also. So 12 time frame, no accumulation, guys. No accumulation. This is just neutral zone, daily. Neutral zone, that's why for me it's not bullish. No signal to buy on direction indicator. Weekly time frame, I guess, yes, there is accumulation. So for the spot, mark the levels. Capitulation, I think we can test this summer 10 cents. The positive case scenario, we have to break 68 cents and go higher if we want to talk about a breakout structure on the weekly. Right. So based on ADZ, it's neutral zone now on the weekly. So not sales, not buys, right? But here was the best time in February at 26.93. So now we're 36.20. Not a big difference. That's why for the spot, I repeat again, if you believe in it, of course you can accumulate it 36. Up to you. Direction, yes, sum of accumulation since December 75 on the weekly time frame, on a daily was accumulation before the pump at the beginning of April. Now nothing, no money in, no money out. So market smooth, guys. This is after the euphoria. We are just in a optimism around the trill zone, not a disbelief. Weekly time frame, definitely it's capitulation. That's why I repeat again, for the spot, I think it's more than okay to buy it with proper money management, because with the spot position, we have to be ready for anything can happen. We're talking, for example, the BitGet today posted an announcement. So in the April 30th, so the last day, they will delist 22 trading pair. So guys, the people also believe in that project. It doesn't mean that project is going to crash it down and go into zero. No. Like a latest example with the Moon River. So OKEX delisted Moon River and the Glimmer. But recently, the Moon River pumped the 270%. So why not? Right? So if we can speculate with these assets, so why not? So the conclusion is, guys, futures trade for me personally now kind of risky. I better wait to drop to the at least to the this one order block like 31 cents 40. This one entry, and after that try. Now it's kind of risky, but if you feel okay, you can do this one. Money power, guys, indicator on the 12 time frame. Here was the money outflow. Now nothing, no new money inflow. Money in was here before the pump, March 29. Now nothing. Money out was at the top of 7 days ago. Now nothing. So I'd rather wait the money inflow again. So let's add alerts, money inflow, like confirmation of the uptrend move. That's why conclusion, guys, is this is a capitulation zone what I market potentially. It can be even the end of the May. I hope not, or the summer. And the pump, we need to break the high 62.80 to talk about a break of structure for Celestia. Write please in a comment what you think about Celestia. If you'd like to trade with my customer care site and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.